Summer's right around the corner, and you might be wanting a nice, crisp, refreshing drink. Something not too sweet, like a pina colada. The Suffering Bastard might be what you want. The name is more aggressive than the cocktail.
My name is Carl.
And I'm Riley. Welcome to Alchemix Bar, where we will teach you how to improve your home bartending skills.
So today we're going to try a drink that I've only had once before this filming. A Suffering Bastard. It's got gin, bourbon, and mint.
Whew, I'm gonna be a suffering bastard.
Is it going to be good? Let's find out.
So we haven't done too many tropical cocktails on this channel, have we?
No, we really haven't.
Yeah. So I wanted to try one, and the Suffering Bastard came up on a different few blog posts and seemed interesting.
Yeah.
What was most interesting is there's a lot of variations of this, and they're all called the Suffering Bastard.
Oh, so it's like, it's one of those ones that's not really standard across the board.
No. The most standard one is the one that we're going to try today, the split base one, half gin, half bourbon. But the other ones were just bourbon, or there was just brandy.
Wow, that's out of left field.
That's what I thought too. And I was like, ooh, I want to try that. We are going to go with the split base because that, like I said, that was the one I've seen the most of throughout different YouTube channels and different recipes online.
This doesn't seem very tropical-y to me, though.
See, that's what I was thinking too. I'm calling it tropical because of the lime juice and mint. But yeah, it's definitely not in the realm of tropical as what we would normally think of. A bunch of juices and rums and coconut tropical flavors.
Right.
We just go with what the internet tells us.
Absolutely.
So what also is interesting about this is how much ginger beer is in this cocktail. Mm-hmm. There's 2 ounces of spirit, which is a good amount for most cocktails, but 4 ounces of ginger beer.
That's a lot.
That is a lot. That's a huge ratio. I could maybe see 2 and 2, but again, this is what was commonly used in all the recipes, so we're going to make it this way.
All right.
Now, Fever Tree is definitely more spicier, more hot.
It packs a little bit more natural ginger punch.
It does than a lot of other ginger beer. So I wonder how much that's going to play in effect.
Right.
I guess we'll just have to wait and see.
If nothing else, I like the ginger beer.
Right, it's good by itself. So at the end of the day, we know we're going to enjoy it because at least it's going to taste like Fever Tree ginger beer. Huh?
Right.
So you ready to give this bad boy a try? Just go. It's very gingery.
Yes, I am glad you went with the Fever Tree ginger beer.
Yeah.
Because the ginger is cutting a lot of everything.
At the end of the day, I can only really taste ginger beer. I can't really taste too much anything else.
No, I mean, I can get the bourbon.
Yeah.
Lightly. I can get about as much bourbon flavor as you get bourbon color in the cocktail.
Very light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not bad. I expected it to be much less friendly for my palate.
Sure.
I actually really enjoy it. Not a whole lot of spirit in there, is there?
2 ounces. So this is definitely, I would say similar to like a Moscow Mule.
Yeah.
Ginger beer with just a touch of lime and spirit in there. We just did a mint julep and a Mr. T, which are going to be all kind of similar to this. So if you like this or find those drinks interesting, go check these videos out. Let us know in the comments how you make your Suffering Bastard. I'd like to see it and maybe try your recipe. Well, everyone, thanks so much for watching in.
Cheers.
Cheers.